God no verse, I won't reason with you. I won't reason with you, no verse, Father. But you know, say, this thing what I want to do now, no be my career, I know there for my mind. But I say, they talk say in a condition where they make crayfish bend. There is no time when me, where they the reason, say me I go be a bad person. Lie now. God, you myself, when you are reasoning with me, they reason with me. But based on those people who through my parent, even though my sister and my only brother overboard, I won't take permission before I go do anything so that you could protect me. Like say how far they protect him became. You know, even say I get every jazz and juju without you, God, I still be nobody. You understand what now the reason? So I won't take authority from your hand, can't reason give you. They talk say a person we won't go war, go reason give him master. So that when you go come back, you go reason give him master. Now so him be now. So I won't go reason give you. I won't go revenge. I won't go pare those who pare my papa and my mama. I won't go kaskata, I won't go para. I won't go pro for those who can katanka my own pare and my own mamare. They won't reason with me. Instead of they call me John the Baptist, where you call my name to be. They don't change me to Crusader. And because of this, Baba God, jungle, street, no be child's play. No verse. When I go the straw finish, okay, I will still come back, content because I know say you must guide me. I come to your channel. Baba God, no verse.
Welcome, Modike. Agaraf no click na buko sadi ali. Bako click na no jeje no ni ozu. My son, why are you here?
Baba, Joy go marry. Things say when he go give Pekin, he go still give Pekin to Joy. My name can't give Joy to you. Because of this, Mama break it, go born within two amagamus. Joy no dey my mind. Baba, come my con reason give you. So that you reason give Lucy. Where be short course of Lucifer. You understand me? So I won't work with Satan now. Even just for Baba, just a short period of time. Obia de mama. Understand what now the caprison?
Oh gugu. As no click karabu kosi. Ade alien. A child that the dance of Surugede, does not know that he dance the dance of the spirit. My son,
Baba,
the tax you are about to embark on is a very dangerous one.
Come on, what the reason give you? If the reason give you that are you my matter, or be my own in I call it a caprison, the reason give you. Until they did this one. They can't spread me short terms. What did the reason give you? Now maybe that danger where they see. So if you call me with reason, well, me will just reason. If you don't feel reason with me, comport yourself, man. Comport yourself also. Now, Puara. Last, I can see no burger. Open teeth now scam. What did they do you? They tell me danger. You never hear about the Crusader. It means say John don't dey answer Crusader. And then I didn't do you like this.
Boss, that guy just jump for no your gun. Play everybody when they front line. If not be seen as smartness and mercy of God, let him leave me make a stroke on you come talk with him. Maps. No fit talk and come talk with me I see. See my body now.
No.
Ah.
Can't happen. Now maybe gallant.
Boss, you know say big belly no be sickness. Boss, you know say the enemy you live to destroy today will turn against you tomorrow. Boss, you know say now we throw these people pale overboard. Eh? We need to do something. Maybe we do something.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I know what to do. I will show him say na me be gallant.
Man, I can't listen this. I waiting they do you. Can't they do like say never eat? They're hungry.
Oh, brother.
You don't shop. You don't shop or you don't chop. Which one we want my turn now? My talk now.
I don't chop.
You don't chop. But why can't they ask me whether I don't shop? I be my Nkechi or I be my Nkechi?
Sorry, brother. But I have this dream.
Diet. Come on. Silenta. In fact, Silenta and Testile also. No go fit package yourself. Which kind of dream? Now maybe that dream is the dream. So what's up? What in the up?
Brother, you don't even know what I want to say.
And I don't know what you want to say because I maybe the dream. You don't feel have me now. Why? You don't see the time where they read from Genesis to Revelation. You don't see where they talk say. You never hear about the Crusader. The only one man squad. The immortal that lives among the mortal. Nah, comport yourself also. Come on, cross your mouth. There well, oh.
But brother, if I leave, who will stay here with you?
Yeah, you just the reason give me say you leave. I don't reason give you may you leave. But no wahala sha. As you won't leave, it's better that you leave this environment. In fact, leave this estate, leave this town. You know, say we are not from this cabin. Even if you forget everything, I don't forget that fateful day. I see my own palais, my own malais, my own mama and your own papa, our own brothers and sisters. They just match them down in a pool of blood. Joy, no before joy cease, and Genesis can never get the intensities. Come on, comport yourself also. No be able to mention. You can never go to hellfire with lighter. Sometimes you go say make somebody answer Lucifer in short come of Lucy.
But I'm not going anywhere. I will stay here with you. I'm not going anywhere.
Sometimes they make noise. See, come. You say you are the only sister that I have. I love you so much. You understand all those people way by our people now if you compare you. You know the story now, you know they hear the order. That I'm asking you to just vamove, that I'm asking you to just sell out of this town or caban on this unit. Doesn't mean say me I no go feel you're absent if you go now. Don't be like that. No matter what, now from the aroma of the mess you go know the sweetness of the shit. Understand? Just understand, listen with me, Norma, okay? Don't worry, when everything calm, you go still come back. I can never allow those who throw our mama and our pal overboard to go scot-free. And maybe the Crusader, they feel me. Sir, deport. For who know who we know senior, the only picking where they stay carry for belly. The only picking. A boy. No well enough. Now they make noise for this environment. What thing they using give you now?
The Crusader. Now that your sister have left the town, you know that you cannot do this alone. You need to form your own squad, and you will name them Vengeance.
But eyes of the gods, based on what you just capricon, unto say one no go fit do without the other one. I reason with you. No shele sha, because now the same thing way they reason, me I just dey hear the reason since morning. But in which way I go fit do am now? How I go fit do am? Because I don't trust anybody. I don't trust anybody. I know. No, you supposed to see how they threw my overboard. No, Lele.
I am Ibubago. Soon, there will soon be war, and your enemies will be your member.
What do you mean? My enemies go be my member? Now my enemies not be my member, but those victims go be my member. What the can't the reason give me? But there's no Lele Sha. Garant. But no be say only those who shout Anibulere are the sons of Tata Sofudi. No be only those where the answer Garant gets the muzzle to go prison. You must be my only